Yes, so today I am attempting to open my controller because my right controller trigger is getting stuck. So I have to peel it up or use my teeth, which can hurt over time. So yeah, I'm trying to get in. And yeah, this is the only screw I can see. This is kind of disgusting. Kind of gross. It's quite literally the only visible screw. How am I supposed to get in this thing? Okay, hold on. Let's see if I can pry it in some spot. This one's thinner. I'll use this side. Oh, here we go. Oh, shoot. I want to completely break it just in case I do have to get it repaired. We're in, kind of. We're not in at all. Do I just smack it until it fixes? Is that smart? Hold on, guys. If I'm gonna try to do this, I need something to drink. Where's my knife? Where is my knife? I don't have my knife. I can't open it! I probably actually can't open it. Because I have whatever this thing is. This pry tool thing. So, yo! Where is my knife at? With my knife, I would be able to open it. Hold on. Let me go get it. I'll speed this up for you guys. Alright, guys. I have my knife. I was looking for it because it has this, which is a bottle opener. So I can just easily open it. So, delicious. But yeah, let's keep going. I'm gonna try to open this. I don't have the right bit, which is really annoying. Okay, this is a mess. Oh god. Okay. Well, I need to open it. I don't know how to. That sounds horrible. There's the adhesive. I don't know if I'm supposed to take that. I don't know if I'm supposed to rip that adhesive off, though. I mean, I don't have an extra cover, so if... Guys, that's it for today, I guess. I'm just gonna, buy a new controller, I guess. Alright, well, anyways, subscribe, join the Discord. Link is in the channel description. I'll see you guys later. Bye!